The secret remains secret until a third sniffs it. Always acknowledge a fault. This will throw those in authority off their guard and give you an opportunity to make a choice. A person who doesn't have a cent is not poor, but a person who doesn't have ambition is poor. The longer we dwell on our misfortunes, the greater is their power to harm us. Everyone has some supreme qualities. That is the gift of God. Sometimes we face many ups and downs in life and tremble to make the right decisions. Bizarre life is still able to find an excellent rise in the hidden desire to draw better. A sharp-witted mind has the strongest understanding power. Sacrifice is the easiest thing for a person who has a burning desire to achieve great things. A man can never have too much red wine, too many books, or too much ammunition. If you believe that the essence of bravery lies in the stake of someone's life on possibility, then the essence of conviction lies in the journey to trust that possibility's existence. By land, they're not making it anymore. The partnership is not only a principle, but a strong bond of two or more persons who are ready to share commonness, risks, privileges, and responsibilities. Dost thou love life? Then do not squander time, for that's the stuff life is made of. Pass your work to those who are better at it. This comes under the last part of success. Only a wise man can understand the two meanings of a single word. Growing old is an inevitable phenomenon, but a busy man has no time to look after it. When you add lying to the truth, it becomes worthless. The only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want, drink what you don't like, and do what you'd rather not. Have courage and always face the difficulties in life. Good thoughts are a way to get closer to God, but it remains just thoughts if never acted upon truly. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. It is enough that people of the nation do not understand our banking and monetary system, for if they did, I believe there would be a revolution before tomorrow morning. Always forgive your enemies. Nothing annoys them so much. I think there is only one quality worse than hardness of heart, and that is softness of head. Blessed is he who expects nothing, for he shall never be disappointed. Man will do many things to get himself loved. He will do all things to get himself envied. Our labor preserves us from three great evils: weariness, vice, and want. The reason so many people never get anywhere in life is because when opportunity knocks, they are out in the backyard looking for four-leaf clovers. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. The only time you really live fully is from 30 to 60. The young are slaves to dreams, the old servants of regrets. Only the middle-aged have all their five senses in the keeping of their wits. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. If you could kick the person in the pants, responsible for most of your trouble, you wouldn't sit for a month. To lengthen thy life, lessen thy meals. If you pick up a starving dog and make him prosperous, he will not bite you. This is the principal difference between a dog and man. Whenever there is a hard job to be done, I assign it to a lazy man. He is sure to find an easy way of doing it. Keep your eyes wide open before marriage, half shut afterwards. It is enough. Think how difficult it is to change yourself, and you will understand how insignificant your opportunities are to change other. Whatever is begun in anger ends in shame. Do something every day that you don't want to do. This is the golden rule for acquiring the habit of doing your duty without pain. The happiest of all lives is a busy solitude.